Ever wonder why your car's AC isn't cooling like it used to? A mysterious fault code might be the culprit. Today, we're diving into the P0536 code, a common issue affecting your vehicle's air conditioning system. A properly functioning AC isn't just about comfort. It's crucial for a pleasant driving experience, especially in hot weather. So, what exactly is P0536? It stands for AC Evaporator Temperature Sensor Range Performance. This sensor is vital. It monitors the temperature of the evaporator, preventing it from freezing and ensuring optimal cooling. When this sensor malfunctions, your AC system can't regulate temperature effectively, leading to various issues. One of the most common symptoms is your AC blowing warm air, even when set to cold. You might also notice your AC cycling on and off frequently, struggling to maintain a consistent temperature. Another telltale sign is frost buildup on the evaporator, indicating improper temperature regulation. And of course, inconsistent cabin temperatures, where it's hot one moment and cool the next, can be frustrating. So, what causes this P0536 code? The most direct cause is a faulty evaporator temperature sensor itself. Hooting, Isus, Sushascos, frigid, shorted, or open circuits can disrupt the sensor signal to the PC. Connector problems, including corrosion or loose connections, are also frequent culprits. While less common, a faulty powertrain control module, or PCM, could also be the root cause. Finally, refrigerant overcharge or undercharge can indirectly affect sensor readings and trigger the code. Now, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to pinpoint the exact problem. Step 1. A thorough visual inspection. Check all wiring and connectors for any visible damage or corrosion. Step 2. Use a scan tool to monitor live data from the evaporator temperature sensor. Look for erratic readings. Step 3. Test the sensor's resistance with a multimeter at various temperatures. Compare readings to manufacturer specifications. Step 4. Check for wiring continuity in the sensor's circuit. This ensures the electrical path is unbroken. And finally, Step 5. Verify proper refrigerant levels. Both under and overcharging can cause issues. Once you've diagnosed the problem, the repair solutions are straightforward. If the sensor is faulty, replacing the evaporator temperature sensor is the primary fix. For wiring or connector issues, repair or replacement of the damaged components will restore functionality. And if refrigerant levels are off, addressing those issues will bring your AC back to peak performance. In summary, the P0536 code points to an evaporator temperature sensor issue, impacting your AC's efficiency. Timely diagnosis and repair are crucial for maintaining AC system longevity and your driving comfort. If you're unsure about any steps, always consult a professional technician. They have the expertise to help. Thanks for watching. Drive safely and stay cool.